Hey Doves, welcome back. If you're new, welcome. My name is Kemora, and in this video, I'll be showing you this bomb wig. If you want to see more, keep on watching. Okay, so I have I think one of the most, I would say adorable, but adorable is not the word. Like, it's a lit wig. I posted a pic on Instagram and it seems like everybody liked it, so I decided to film the video just to show you that it's not what you think. Like, maybe some of you might think it's expensive, but it's not. It's really cheap. Believe me when I say this wig is under $30. So yeah, you know it's the real hookup. Anyway, I don't have all the packaging, to be honest. I really just, as you can see, I wore the wig already, so I really just put it back in here so you have an idea of what it looks like when it gets to you. But really and truly, it came better than this, but I messed it up. But I kind of did this so you could see it came with this inside. And before I go any further, maybe I should actually inform you now of the name of the wig. This is the Bobbi Boss lace front wig, and it's in the style Xenon, and the color is TT6/23, and it's a beautiful color. It's like really nice. I don't know if the lighting is like making it look different, but it's a nice blonde color, but it's not one of those like the 613 blonde where it's too yellow. It has hints of brown and like ash blonde. Like, it really looks good. I really like it. I bought this on Amazon. If you're living in the US, you can buy it on any of the hair sites really. Elevate Styles, you can buy it on Sam's Beauty, you can buy it on multiple, I think they have it everywhere. And if you're living elsewhere and you have access to Amazon, you can buy it on Amazon. And for Caribbean folks, you can use Carib Shopper. If you've never heard about that, I'll leave a link to Carib Shopper down below. So it's something that I use. I'm not sponsored. I mean, I hope they will see this video and sponsor me so I can give you the hookup more and more every time. But I've used it and it works. So you can use Carib Shopper because for most Caribbean countries, Amazon, you don't have direct shipping. So Carib Shopper is a good way to have like access to Amazon and multiple other stores. So you could try that out. You can click the link down below. I leave that and you will see it. What should I tell you about this? It's a synthetic wig. Let me just point that out. It's synthetic, hence the affordability. It's really affordable. Let me kind of show you so you can see. It's a bob. It's a really blunt cut bob. Really like, and I think that's what attracted me to the wig. That's what made me like it the most. It was the fact that it was blonde, it was a bob, and it was blunt. Besides, it has a really deep part. I don't know if you can see that. Right? That's like really deep. That's at least 4 inches, I think. And most times, the synthetic wigs, they come with parts like that, this wide. Which, come on, that makes no sense. So that's what I liked the most about it. In terms of construction, let me show you the inside. That's how it looks on the inside. It's a lace, but it's just a middle part lace. So there's not much lace on the inside. A tiny bit around the perimeter. It's not even. It's kind of really pointless, but there is lace around the perimeter, just a small amount, just a small amount around the hairline. And the middle part, it's lace. It comes with 3 combs, 2 at the top, so 2 at the temple, and 1 in the back. So this one would be at the nape of your neck. And if you need the extra security, you could use these. I personally, I just put on my wigs and they go. Like I'm not worried that it's gonna fall off my head. But you can, I guess you can braid your hair in a way that you can insert it. In terms of size, I think it's small for my head, but maybe it's just my head. You know, maybe I have my head, the shape of my head is a little maybe on the bigger side. I don't know, but it's a little small on the inside. That's my only concern. Oh, I didn't tell you, it has the adjustable straps as well. So it comes with 2 adjustable straps. I really don't use either because, as I said, it's small for me. It's a little small. It fits, but it's a little small. So I don't really use the straps. But if you need to, they have the straps and they have the comb, so you don't have to worry that it's gonna fall off. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna put it on so you can see how I wear it or how it looks on. So what I normally do when I'm gonna wear wigs with, like, once it has the lace, I usually put on a stocking cap. Now you can go the whole distance and customize it, kind of like when you're doing like a virgin, when you're wearing a virgin hair wig and like a proper wig. But I just can't bother right now to do that. So what I'm gonna do, because if I pull the cap all the way to the front, it's gonna show, you're gonna see the thick part of the lace. But if I were to, you know, like lay down the stocking cap and use like the Got to Be Glue free spray, you wouldn't see it because it would be the thinner part, if that makes any sense. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna put it on halfway, just to keep my hair, you know, in place, to have a barrier between the wig and my hair. So I'm just gonna put that on just to give you an idea of what I'm using. It's just a regular stocking cap. You can buy these anywhere. You can get any brand. This is just the one I got, so that's why. I know Annie has a lot. Annie is one of those brands that do these things. You can buy one of them, and I normally get the nude one. This one says natural beige, but it's better to put like a nude one under your wigs if you're going for the scalp look, if you want that natural scalp look, as opposed to putting on a black stocking cap, because the black one now would just, it would defeat the whole purpose of the lace looking real. So yeah, that's a quick tip right there. So I'm just gonna put this on, but I don't want it to go too far up in my part because you're gonna see the difference. There's gonna be like one part will look natural and then another part will look extra bright. So I'm not gonna put it too far, but I just need something to keep my hair in place. And what you can do, you can go ahead, I have my hair gelled down, so that's why it's so in place. But what you can do to prep your hair, you can, if your hair is long enough, you can just stick your hair in a ponytail at the back, or you can do braids, preferably a center part, because then your scalp will be like very visible, and that will help to make the part look more natural. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw it on my head. I don't have a particular way how I wear my wigs, I just slap them on. And you just want to ensure that the part on the wig is properly aligned with the part, like your natural part. And you just put it on. Make sure you have a brush. Make sure you have a brush so you can, like, just get everything in place. And my hair, as I said, it's gelled down already, but if it wasn't, I would maybe re-gel and, you know, just to make the front a little more natural looking. And just to point out, guys, it's not gonna be perfect because it is a wig and it's not the best lace that exists. I guess you can say it's a synthetic wig, so it's not one of the best, but it works. It's fine. It's not that big of a deal. And you just want to brush it out. And as I said, if you're scared, use the combs that are in it. This is what I was saying about the wig being a little snug for my head. Usually you will have this part closer to the front, but on me it's a little like further back, but it doesn't really bother me because this is how I wear it down. I just wear it like that. It's not too much of a problem. And now that I'm brushing, I'm getting some shedding. So you just want to be gentle when you're brushing, so everything will fall out. I'm not sure if it's on. Okay, it's properly. Okay. Also, if you wanted, you could go in with some concealer to just brighten the part, because maybe it looks, I don't know if it looks a little dull. Let me know if you like it. I think this is a quick way to like switch up your look. You know, you go from black hair to blonde hair in minutes, basically. Like I think it's really, really nice. I like it. I think it's really cute. And I got good feedback, so I think most people like it as well. Yeah. Let me know where you'd wear this to, like what occasion is ideal for this kind of hair. But I like it. If you have any questions, ask them down below. I'm trying to think if I left anything out, but I don't think so. Another quick tip, if you're gonna wear it out and it's windy, you can maybe use some mousse. Just put some in your hand and kind of put it, you know, just to keep the hair together. But you don't want to do too much, because if you do too much, then it's gonna be stiff. And what's stiff go? You can't have stiff bob, like nobody has stiff bob, right? So yeah, you can do that. But I hope you like it. I hope you like it. I was excited to film this video for you. Yeah, a few persons asked me about it, and I told them I would make a video on it also. And thank you for the support. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the views. Thank you for the subscription. Thank you for everything. Like, I did not expect for my people to just be so supportive, and I really appreciate it. I really, really do. And that's why I had to film this video. Like, I put up the picture last night and I had to just film this video like ASAP for you guys, just in case you wanted to get your hands on it. And also, if you're in Jamaica, remember to go and look in the wholesale. Like, don't play with the wholesale, and go downtown and look if you see them wigs, because they have really nice wigs in the wholesale. So I don't go like say one or two at going to wholesale. Like, check them out. They tend to have some wholesales. You have a bunch of them. Go in them and look. Some are just hair wholesales, like they just sell hair. Go in there and look at some of them. They have really nice wigs. Some are human hair, some are synthetic. So that's just a quick tip for you guys. You can go in the wholesales and you can find them. So yes, I think that's it, guys. Comment and tell me down below if you think this wig suits me. If you want to see more wig videos from me, more affordable wigs, just let me know down below and I'll try my best to fulfill your request. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like my video if you really liked it, and share it with a friend or a family member. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Love you, doves.